Welcome back, you guys, to another grocery haul. So today's grocery haul is from Walmart, and I spent $105. So to start out, I have 3 of the Florida Natural Lemonades. These were $1.88 a piece. A 20 pack of my favorite fruit snacks, the original Fruit Smiles by Great Value. This was $3.98. Popcorn chicken was $9.98. This is actually going to be for dinner tonight. The mini round cheese raviolis, $3.97. 2-pound bag of regular cut french fries, $2.98. My husband had mentioned that he wanted this, so we will be having this sometime this week. The Lloyd's pork ribs. I've never made ribs by myself, so this will be an adventure, and hopefully it comes with instructions on how to make it. Alright, so this, I can't wait to tell you guys about this deal. I might actually make a short out of this because this deal is amazing. I found this out last weekend when I was at Walmart with my son, and I had him try it, and he said that he likes them just as much as the Entenmann's. These are $2.62 for a box. Around here in my area, the Entenmann's Little Bites go for $4.97 a box. They're pretty much the same exact count. Everything's the same. It's the Walmart brand, and it's almost half the price. Hell yeah, I'll be stocking up on these. So that's gonna be a staple anytime I do a Walmart grocery haul. So keep an eye out for those. And he said that yes, they are just as good as the Entenmann's brand. I know I just said that, but I had to restate the fact that they're just as good and that they're half the price. And with inflation going up, you know you're about to run to Walmart and pick those up. Alright, so now croissants. I got a 2-pack of these. They were $3.98. That was expensive, and they're original. They're not the butter flavor, but it'll do. I wouldn't say upset, but I was kind of bummed out. So we like I don't know how you pronounce this, Rails. We like the 4 cheese. They only had the marinara and the vodka. We picked up the vodka because we're not a big marinara fan, unless it's on pizza. So I picked this up. That's going to go with the raviolis for tonight. This was $6.88. That's another really good deal, because at my local grocery store, the cheapest one we have in the area, it's $7.98. So you're saving $1.10 per jar. Hell yeah, stock up on that as well. The thin spaghetti was 88 cents a box. So I picked up 2 of them because it's a new food that Christian's gotten into. Alright, tomatoes. These were 98 cents. They're just diced tomatoes, regular diced tomatoes. Another food that my son liked and he enjoyed was the chicken and herb. And I thought they were a 4-pack, but they're a 2-pack. So I'm going to have to get more of this. So that can go with the dinner. My son loves ham steak. So I picked up 2 of these. Just because, once again, 1 isn't enough, but 1 big one is too much. So I picked up 2 of these. Now to feed us for that. Alright. Ground beef. I will explain that in a second. That is for a recipe. 2 of the Christmas tree ice creams. My husband will eat one by himself. My son and I will snack on another. And then my chocolate fudge brownie ice cream. So then my husband had mentioned that he wants tacos. So I picked up the taco kit. Mind you, we haven't had tacos in a couple of years. It's not something we usually eat. So I picked that up, and now let's go in and see what the taco kit comes with. 10 flour tortillas, mild taco sauce, and a seasoning mix. So that's the reasoning behind ground beef, the Mexican cheese, which I will also use half of that for chili. My husband wants chili later this week. An iceberg lettuce. Now I do have to mention, I put an order in for one of the meal replacement equate strawberry shakes. We're trying to lose weight. I know, wrong time of the year to do it, but we're trying to lose weight and be healthier. So, they didn't have it in store. I had the option of getting shipped out for me, and I decided not to go with that because I won't be here till Tuesday. And my husband really wants to kick it off on Sunday, start the week out fresh. So I'm actually going to hit up Walmart probably later this weekend, maybe Sunday, because we do have plans for tomorrow. Today's Friday. We do have plans for tomorrow, for Saturday. This video will be out on Sunday, so you guys will not be aware of that until my next Walmart haul. But with that being said, our total after the tip, because with Walmart deliveries, not Walmart deliveries, but Walmart grocery delivery, I guess you would call it. You had to pay a tip. You don't have to, but it's there, and I'll throw it in just to make sure my food comes to me safely. Yeah, I did a $5 tip. So with that being said, all in all, I spent $100. And by the way, you guys, check out my brand new table. I'm freaking in love with this table. I'm actually working on a video right now. That will not be out until next week. So there's a little sneak peek of that. But I had to show you guys this table. I absolutely freaking love it. It was a Christmas gift from my parents to us. And I love it because it's big enough to finally do my hauls on a table. I'm so happy. I'm actually going to get a table runner. I want to get like a red one for Christmas. And then probably keep it there year round. But I'm going to get a table runner for it and do it up nice. And then every year at Christmas time. Oh, I don't know how that got in there. I always have the manger right in the middle of my table to remind us why we really celebrate the season of Christmas.